Diego and I am Level 3 Hairdressing Coordinator at Eastbourne campus, and I teach on all of our hairdressing courses, Level 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, here at Eastbourne campus in our hairdressing salons, we have 2 hairdressing salons and a reception area. How we start our teaching is in our practical salons, where you would learn to shampoo. You'd shampoo on each other, and conditioning treatments with lovely head massages, different techniques in blow drying and setting and styling. You also will practice cutting techniques and colouring techniques on your blocks, on your dummy heads, and we also practice on live models. So you can bring in friends and family, and we also run as a commercial salon. So we have members of the public come into our salon. They pay a lower cost for their service, and we take all services, and this will form most of your course. You'd have 3 lessons of practical and 1 of theory, where you would learn the underpinning knowledge of all of the hairdressing skills. Okay, so Level 1 in hairdressing is a lovely introduction to our industry, where you would learn some basic skills, shampooing and blow drying and setting, and working as a team and seeing how the salon is run. Our Level 2 in hairdressing covers all of our skills such as cutting, colouring, styling, hair up, and reception and consultation skills, along with health and safety. Once you've done your Level 2 in hairdressing, you could progress into employment as a junior stylist, or you could further your education by progressing on to our Level 3 in hairdressing. Hairdressing Level 3 is more of a creative course that you can progress onto. It contains different colouring techniques such as balayage, ombres, baby lights and money pieces, and colour correction. Also includes creative cutting, also how to manage a salon, and different styling techniques, and really gives you that opportunity to use your artistic flair. Within our hairdressing programmes, you'll be studying in our salons for 3 practical lessons per week and 1 theory lesson. And also you would be expected to do some independent directed study at home, and also practice your practical skills at home as well. In our hairdressing salons, our group sizes are between 12 and 18, and this gives us an opportunity as tutors to really spend one-to-one time with you, especially in the practical skills, where you'll need one-to-one demonstrations, and you will also have more time with your clients and your models and your blocks. Throughout your time at college, within your qualification, you'll be assessed practically and the theory side of the course. So your practical assessments will take place on live models on our clients within our environment, and our theory-based side of the course will be assessed through online testing and also through written elements, through workbooks and projects. Not only do you study here at college, but we also have a lot of enrichments. So our colouring manufacturers will come into college and give you exciting workshops with the latest products and techniques. We also have local employers that come in and will train you for the day. So last year we had an exciting demonstration of hair extensions by an employer in Eastbourne. We also go to London to a really big hair exhibition, which is called Salon International, where you'll be able to see famous hairdressers demonstrating the latest trends and techniques. And also you'd have the opportunity to see the latest products and tools and equipment, and you'll be able to actually purchase some of those on the trip. We also have a dedicated careers day, where we have local employers that come in and talk to you about employability skills and how to be successful in an interview and a trade test within our industry. And we also have Steiner, the cruise liners, come in and talk about how to gain a position there. And also people would come in and talk to you about working abroad, and also our manufacturers would talk to you about how to be a successful colour technician. There's lots of opportunities at college to do a variety of different things outside of your qualification, which include competitions. And last year we had 2 students that entered into the World Skills Competition, and both of them have secured positions in local salons. Thank you very much for watching today, and if you would like to apply for the really exciting journey into hairdressing, then head over to the college's website. And also, if you are unsure, here's a small clip from an international famous hairdresser, Patrick Cameron.
Hi everyone, I'm Patrick Cameron, and I want to talk to the Year 11s who are looking at different possible career paths that they may want to take. And I want to do a big shout out to East Sussex College, the Eastbourne campus, and to 2 special tutors there who have asked me to do this, Claire and Paula. So to you Year 11s who are looking for possible career paths, let me tell you this: hairdressing is an incredible career. It is an incredible trade, but you have to be creative and you have to like people to be truly successful. Hairdressing is about making people feel amazing. It's understanding your craft so that you can really interact with those that you're working on. It's an amazing craft to learn. It can take you all over the world. Or indeed, you may want to leave the career for a while and come back again. Hairdressing is one of those skill sets that once you have it, you never lose it. So to all of you in Year 11 that are looking for possible careers, myself, Patrick Cameron, as an international hairdresser, I could not recommend it more highly. But hey, listen, don't talk to me, talk to the tutors there at East Sussex College. They are incredible. So Claire and Paula, all the very best, and to you Year 11s, all the very best for your life ahead. Sending much love from here in London. Bye.